welcome back, boys and girls. I am happy that you are here with me and my buddy Charlie as we continue with our addition problems. So we are on our third lesson, addition within 10 using the 10 frame. So today we will add two groups of numbers on a 10 frame and use the count on method. What is a 10 frame, Charlie? Charlie. Well, this is a 10 frame. A 10 frame is simply 10 empty blocks that we can use to add. Okay, great. So boys and girls, I am going to review, first of all, some important words that we learned or encountered in our previous lessons. Now, before we move into today's lesson, I just want to go over some of the key words that we met in our two previous lessons. We met all together. That is a clue word that we have to do addition. We also met total, which is another clue word that we have to do addition. We met in all, which tells us we have to do addition. And when we read our addition number sentence, we use the words add and equal. We will see these words again in this lesson, so pay attention. Right now, I am going to model for you how we are going to use the 10 frame to solve our number stories. So here's my number story. There are 5 purple balls and 4 yellow balls in a basket. How many balls are there all together? There's my basket filled with purple and yellow balls. To find how many all together, I place my balls in the 10 frame. So boys and girls, here I have my 10 frame, 10 empty blocks. Here I have pictures of my purple and yellow balls, which I am going to place in my 10 frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 purple balls. 1, 2, 3, 4 yellow balls. I look at my 10 frame and I can count how many balls there are all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in the top row. 6, 7, 8, 9. All together I have 9 balls. 5 add 4 equal 9. So here's my 10 frame. I'm placing my balls. I count all the balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 balls all together. 5 add 4 equal 9. Now, just like before, you are going to join me as I solve this number story with my 10 frame. So here's my number story. Listen as I read. In a car park, there are 3 blue cars and 7 pink cars. How many cars are in the car park all together? They are the cars in the car park. To find how many all together, we place the cards in the 10 frame. So here's my 10 frame, which I'm using again, and pictures of my cards. 3 blue cards, 1, 2, 3, and I'm going to place my 7 pink cards. Do you notice something about my 10 frame? My 10 frame is filled. So, 3 blue cards add 7 pink cards equal 10 cards all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great job, boys and girls. So here's my 10 frame. I place my cards, and to find, we count the cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 cards all together. 3 add 7 equal 10. Now, my buddy Charlie is here with me, and he is ready to help with the 10 frame. And you have your buddy at home with you. So let's get ready with our next number story. On a table, there are 5 limes and 1 banana. How many fruits are there on the table in total? There's my table, and on it are my limes and banana. To find how many in total, you place your fruits in the 10 frame. So you may not have a 10 frame at home as yet, but you can work with me and Charlie as we use our 10 frame. So we have 5 limes and 1 banana. We place our limes and banana in the 10 frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 limes. And we add 1 banana. I know you already can tell how many fruits there are all together, but still, I'm going to count. Let's go. What did you get? Did you get 6 fruits? You are correct. There are 6 fruits all together in the 10 frame. So we place our fruits in the 10 frame, and you count all your fruits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 fruits in total. 5 add 1 equals 6. You are doing such an excellent job. You must try one on your own. But don't worry, I will be right here with you. So here's our number story. On a fence, there are 3 blue birds and 2 green birds. How many birds are there in all on the fence? There's my fence, and there are the birds. To find how many in all, you place the birds in the 10 frame. So here's the 10 frame again, and I'm going to place my birds in the 10 frame. My 3 blue birds, and my 2 green birds. I know you have worked this already. Can you tell how many birds there are in all? Did you say 5? You are correct. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 add 2 equal 5. There are 5 birds on the fence. So we place our birds in the 10 frame. 2, 3 blue birds, 1, 2 green birds. You count all your birds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 birds in all. 3 add 2 equal 5. You are doing such an excellent job. I think we could do one more number story and use our 10 frame. There are 1 green and 7 red crayons on a table. How many crayons are there in all? There's my table, and there are my crayons. To find how many in all, you place the crayons in the 10 frame. So, you are working along with me. I have my 10 frame here. Remember, it is just 10 empty boxes. And I'm going to place my crayons in my 10 frame. My 1 green crayon and my 7 red crayon. Are you counting? Have you figured out how many crayons there are in my 10 frame? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 add 7 equal 8. 1 add 7 equal 8. So I place my crayons in the 10 frame. And you count all the crayons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 crayons in all. 1 add 7 equal 8. Now, I have a challenge for you. Can you solve this? Here's a 10 frame. And there are some crabs in the 10 frame. I want you to tell me which addition sentence shows the crabs in the 10 frame. Is it A, 4 add 3 equals 6? Or is it B, 4 add 2 equals 6? Look carefully. Which one did you choose, A or B? And if you said B, you are correct. The 10 frame shows that 4 add 2 equals 6. Great job, boys and girls. What did we learn? A 10 frame helps us to do addition. We count on to find how many in all when we do addition. We learned 5 add 4 equal 9. 3 add 7 equal 10. 5 add 1 equals 6. 3 add 2 equal 5. And 1 add 7 equal 8. Thank you so much for joining me today with our addition lesson using the 10 frame. Parents, please visit learn.moe.gov.tt for ECC, primary and secondary activities, where we are focused on helping students to connect and continue learning.